Hi, I'm Birger, Sturgis Loomer. I'm the CEO of Dark Matter Norway. There are many reported incidents of illegal drone activities around the world. Let's talk about how drones were used for illegal activities from the start. It has been used for dropping 40mm grenades, such in Afghanistan and Kabul and those areas. But those seem so far away. Just here in Norway, a small country on top of the world with only 5 million people, we had our largest airport closed twice in the last 6 months. These cost a tremendous amount of money for the airport, for the airlines. There will be delays. You have the episode in Dresden where actually Angela Merkel was on a campaign trip and was speaking to her fans and for the political campaign, and somebody flew a drone and it actually crashed or landed, lost control, just like 1 meter, half a meter in front of Angela Merkel on the podium, on the stage that was filled with, prominent people of her and her staff, or probably some guests from the Dresden town too, like the mayor. You can weaponize drones. You can, the kid in the US that, mounted a Glock to his drone and fired it remotely, more violent kind of things. You can, just a little poof of anthrax, and that had been going all over those people on that stage. The first series, we're going to talk a little bit about this, what you can do if you are insecure about this issue, or you are wise and you want to make sure that nobody is spying on your company or threatening your football stadium with 20, 30, 100,000 spectators. What can we do to prevent illegal drone activities at your event or your building? Dark Matter Norway Drone Division, we are working with several providers, with several solutions, so we can customize the perfect solution for you, your event, and your facility.